literally can't do this wrong. All you need is like a big bowl. This is what I'm gonna be using. Hi guys! Hi everyone, I hope everyone is well today. Welcome to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Maru and I'm on a fitness wellness journey and I'm just sharing it here on YouTube with you. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome to my channel. I really appreciate that you're here. Thank you so much guys. I'm always so grateful. So in today's video, I just wanted to share with you some of the things that I have been doing, guys, to keep myself like healthy and prevent myself from getting sick. We all know that wellness shots, you know, people have them all the time, and it's something that I've gotten into recently, and I just wanted to share a recipe with you today that I have been doing. I actually bought, look at this. This is a whole box of turmeric. Actually, I need to put it away before it goes bad. I need to find ways to store it. But this is a whole box of turmeric. Oh no, it's almost going bad. I need to clean it up. Yeah, I need to store them. A whole box of turmeric. Guys, we all know the benefits of turmeric. And one of you lovely subscribers, you know, every time I said, oh, my joints hurt, or I said something that was like, you know, in regards to inflammation or pain, she was like, turmeric is very good. Miss Ivy, you're awesome. If you're watching this, thank you guys. So thank you so much for your recommendations. So I bought a box of turmeric and I also ordered a whole box. This is 1 kg. Let's see. 1 kg worth. Let's see, is this what I've been waiting for? Yes, it is! 1 kg's worth of ginger. Guys, we all know, again, the benefits of ginger. So I'm trying to have these in my diet. So, wow. Oh, these smell absolutely delicious. They look so fresh. So this is the ginger. And this is the turmeric. Ginger is a little bit lighter in color when you cut it inside. It's like more or like yellowish, but this is like orange when you cut in it. Let's see. Like there, that's the inside. Oh, I absolutely love these guys, and I am enjoying my journey exploring these wonderful roots. They are really good for your health, and if you haven't tried them out or you don't know about them, guys, Google is there. Research and get them into your system. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a wellness shot. I've been doing wellness shots these days, and every single morning I take one. Absolutely love it. You will always find these in my refrigerator. This is a ginger turmeric wellness shot, all right, and it's got some pepper in it because pepper enhances the turmeric and it helps your body absorb it very well. And then there's lemon and apple cider vinegar, I think. I take this every morning. I feel so refreshed, I feel energized, and it has definitely reduced my pain. So I'm going to be sharing with you another recipe today that I make, and I'm going to be using beetroot this time around. So keep watching. If you're still here, make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. We're getting healthy. That's the only way, all right, in 2023, taking care of ourselves and getting healthy and being happy about it. So I've cut all my ingredients. So yeah, that's the turmeric, that's the lemon, ginger, and the beetroot. As you can see. Maybe next time wear gloves. So I'm gonna blend these in 2 sets because my blender is really small. I'm going to be using about 800 milliliters of water. So this is the blender that I'm going to be using. Actually, my bigger blender broke, but this works just fine. So if you don't have a juicer, don't worry. You can just use your blender and it works perfectly fine. Does the same thing. So take a few of these. So since I'm going to be doing it in 2 sessions, put in your turmeric, your ginger, maybe 3, your lemon, and your beets. I think I'm gonna do this in 3 sessions. Add some water and then blend away. Let's go. When you're finished blending, some people use like a cheesecloth. This works perfectly fine. Just make sure you press out all the juice. You need to be patient here. It takes time. All right, so there. Oh, look, our juice is done. So to this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and pepper, because pepper allows, like, it helps your body absorb the turmeric. So let me do that. Now that your juice is ready, it is time for you to store it. And I am going to be using these glass bottles. I got these off of coupon, but I think you can get them anywhere. You can search online. And I add about 80 milliliters of this, not too much. All right, and then the remainder, I just put it in a like plastic tight container that goes into the fridge, not glass. Okay. So yeah, let's pour these. I clearly have so much juice, but in my fridge I still have 6 of these, so I am not going to be making any more. I'm gonna take this and put some of it in the refrigerator and then yeah, call it a day. So let's try this one. Cheers. Okay. Marimonat. That's really good. You can taste every single ingredient that's in there. Guys, I hope you give this a try, okay? I hope you give this a try. This is the pulp. Oops, yeah. Oopsie. Yeah, so this is the pulp that is left. I don't throw out this pulp. I just put it in a pot and I boil it up and I turn it into like a tea, and then I give it to my youngest because I think this is too strong for him. So I give it to the baby and he drinks it just fine. I dilute it with some water. Then I know, okay, at least he's gotten some ginger, some garlic, some turmeric, into his system that's not too strong. So you don't have to throw this away. Many people do a lot with the pulp. They put it in their plants, and you can find several things to do. Put it in a soup. It's your choice. So, all right guys, we've come to the end of the video. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are still here and you're still watching, it means that probably you're enjoying this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you like, make sure that you subscribe if you're watching from YouTube. Make sure that you follow if you're watching from Facebook. I appreciate you guys so much. So this is the tea that I made. It does not taste bitter at all. I'm just going to diffuse this with water for my kiddos, and then this is the shots that my husband and I are going to be enjoying together. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this inspires somebody to try this out. You know, anything healthy that goes into your body, it's not going to do you any harm, okay? It's just vegetables. So put them in there and feel better. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and yes, have a great evening, morning, or afternoon, wherever you are, and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.